Somewhere, a seafood restaurant just quietly panicked. Welcome to the kitchen where the pot is the size of a teacup and the flex is still real. Straight from frozen. One cut saves you the fight later. Zest first, then the juice. Slow melt, never rush butter. That smell is doing all the work right now. Rolling boil, straight in. There it is. That's the whole reason we're here. Butter goes on hot, always hot. Listen to that crack. Lemon, parsley, dill, done. A full seafood feast from a kitchen the size of a shoebox. If this fed you more than your last meal did, you know what to do. Subscribe, like it, and tell me what's shrinking next.